Good morning, sir. I'm here at your property. We arrived today, Sunday. Came to service your filter and to check the schedule so that I know the way your pump is running in the schedule, and we find it to be with this alarm. This your motor. You hear that? Your motor seems to be damaged. Got a lot of all that swelling that's here. Your motor is trying to cycle on, and after the alarm, listen, your motor needs to be replaced for this pool pump. Even if we try to reset it, motor's. All right, so we're back here at this pump. It's a Pentair VS 3.0 Whisper Flow, Teleflow, whatever they want to call it. This motor is completely shot. Tried spinning the shaft from the front access port there, and it's completely seized up as I originally thought. So we got the approval. We're going to be replacing this out completely today. Can't get these Pentair pumps anymore. They are on an extreme back order. So we're going to go with a different brand. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut it out. We're going to have to adapt a new adaptation over there, a new coupling or onto there. We're going to cut this ball valve off and we're going to save that. And yeah, we're going to completely rip out all the electrical, take this pump, and just like that, she's released. You are able to rest in peace. Time to put in something real good. And that's it. I'm draining it all out of all its lifeblood. Look how nasty she was underneath. This is just total neglect. This pump was leaking a lot, and the other pool company must have not noticed it, or more likely didn't care to notice, and prematurely damaged this motor. I don't think it's that old, but nevertheless, she's gonna go to the scrapyard, guys. So now we gotta go ahead and take out that. So can't slip a 2-inch pipe extender because they installed a nipple, which is the proper way of doing it, into a pump. So that doesn't slip in. Pipe extender does not slip into the nipple. So we're gonna have to go ahead and we're gonna have to address that issue right there. I'm gonna go ahead, and that, my friends, is how you save a valve. I'm not gonna let you know my secret. You're not gonna know how I do it. That's how we save valve. Now that all the prep work is done, now it's time to go get the rest of the equipment, and the new pump is going in. You may know what I'm putting in. I love it. We're all done now. Got the new pump installed. Old pump is out of here. We got it all plumbed up. Electrical's all done. We only got one minor thing that's left over, but let me show you. So here we go. Bam, as you guessed it, we got a brand new Jandy VS Plus HP 2.7 horsepower monster giant in here. This pump is going to main valve. We got it all bolted down to the concrete pad like the other one was not. We even took the liberty of went ahead and bolted down the filter as well, because these filters, when they're not bolted down, they could be a little bit of difficulty moving it. Got to step on the brace to open up the lid when it's time to service it. So since The last item that we're gonna need to come back and finish up is the IQ Pump 01 pump controller. Our distributor had a wrong count in their stock, so we had to go ahead and place that order for a transfer to come in. But that's gonna be fairly quickly done. Once that comes in, we're gonna schedule come in here, install the IQ Pump 01 controller on the wall, run the communication cable down to the pump, set up this system, start to schedule out all of the schedules, the pump speeds, and everything that we possibly need. That's gonna be very quick. Stay tuned for the next time that we finish up this pump and we get this pool finally rolling after 2.5 weeks. What's going on TikTok? It's Sunday and I had to come and install a brand new pump for a client. He had this pump right here. Let me go ahead and let me show you. This was a Pentair IntelliFlow VSF pump that the motor completely failed on it. Probably not fault of the manufacturer, more fault of the pool company who was maintaining this pump and maintaining the pool itself. It was all completely leaking out of here. We're gonna take this Pentair out of here and we installed a brand new pump. Let me show you what we did. So back at it again. Brand new pump put in. We got a Jandy PS plus HP, 2.7 total horsepower. This monster giant is ready to pump this big pool that we have here. The pool we have is about 60 feet long, lagoon style, 5.5 feet average depth. All new installed. Got it all secured down. Electrical bonding's all finished. We went ahead and took the liberty of bolting down the filter because the filter was not bolted down. So we went ahead and we did that. We also rerouted the electrical cable for the Hayward salt cell. It was all on top of the old pump. We went in and we took it all apart, rerouted it behind the pump, nice and even so nobody trips. So it's a beautiful Sunday, and if you're looking for a company to come out and take a look at your equipment and or schedule something up for you, maybe not always on a Sunday, but when the time crunches, we try to show up. So if you're looking for a company and you're in need of a pool pump, a pool filter, brand new LED lighting, automation system, new plumbing, new valves, renovations, resurfacing, whatever it is, we can handle it for you. Give us a call. My name is Charles, Elite Swimming Pools. We service Miami Lakes, West Miramar, Pembroke Pines, Davie, Cooper City, Plantation, and your western areas. And hopefully we're gonna be expanding. What it is, people, it's about 9:30 in the morning now. And we're back at this pool where we installed a brand new Jandy pump. Let me show you two right now. All right, so we got her all hooked up. Got the new IQ Pump 01 controller installed, tacked up very nicely against the wall, and cable buried underground, very professional. I would say so myself. We got her flowing. It's on our priming speed right now, or our first speed of the day, rather better said. And she's flowing. This pool is gonna be looking good pretty soon. Let me show you the pool. This is a swimming pool here, about 60 feet long, lagoon style pool with an oversized spa. She's a little green, but we've already shocked it, and we're gonna get this pool back up and running with the pump circulation. So again, if you're needing some type of service